Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Roblox not launching. The first obvious fix is try to restart your PC. Before trying anything, just give your computer a quick restart because it will clear anything temporary. Secondly, try running Roblox as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox shortcut on your desktop, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check for the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and now launch Roblox again, and if Roblox starts normally, you found the fix. If not, just delete the Roblox App Data folder. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Then in the address bar, type App Data. Press Enter to open the folder, then look for a folder named Roblox. Right-click on it and select Delete. After this, try launching Roblox again. It will download fresh files and usually starts working right away. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Roblox tips and tricks like this.